So, matatapos na siguro guys ang summer. Good morning everyone. Good morning everyone. Shout out. Yan guys, habang naka-live tayo ay umiinom ako ng kape. Malakas ng hangin. So, malakas ang hangin guys. Diba nakita nyo? Umulan. Malamig-lamig na guys sa aming paligid. Ayan, shout out reviewers. Shout out. Ay! Ayan guys, pati cellphone. Shout out. Ayan guys, sarap magkape. For viewers, shout out for viewers. So, maulan na maaga, maulan na umaga. So, kagabi pa to guys. Kagabi pa to umuulan. Ngayon, natuluyan ng umulan. Hello everyone. Shout out everyone. Good morning everyone. Sina G. Hello, shout out Sina G. Sina G, welcome sa aking live and shout out. So, hindi namin malalaman guys kung may bagyo o wala. Kasi malakas yung ulan. Cristiano Di Paula, Opa. Good morning, Cristiano. Cristiano Di Paula, Ula din sa'yo. Shout out sa'yo. Alexander Bas Apuka 38B. Hola, buenas tardes, ¿cómo está usted? Hello, welcome sa akin live, Alexander. Hello to viewers. Shout out to viewers. And good morning everyone. Shout out. And guys, send me guys a super chat and super sticker and super things. So ayan. Thank you. Pangkapi lang guys.